Ever wondered why your stomach rumbles when you're hungry? It's not just emptiness. Your stomach growls because of a cleaning process called migrating motor complexes, or MMC. MMC sweeps leftover food and bacteria from your stomach into the small intestine. This process happens every few hours, even when you're not hungry. How amazing is that? The growling sound is caused by the contraction of stomach muscles and the movement of fluids. So, next time your stomach growls, remember it's just a sign of a healthy, cleaning system.